Hello everybody and welcome back to FX Street. My name is Akash and today we're going to be taking a look at XRP and discuss what's happening with the remittance token. Right. Before we get into that, please make sure to head on over to our YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to stay updated with the hottest trends in crypto market, make sure to also click on the bell icon. You can give us a follow on Twitter at FXS Crypto, and if you enjoy the content that I put out, make sure to give me a follow as well at Mangyako with a zero at the end. You can click this link here, any of these links. It will take you to this link will take you to my Telegram channel, and link will take you to my YouTube channel, obviously. I post my setups that I'm taking, basically the trades, in my Telegram group, which is free, and basically my take on the market in my YouTube channel. So if you're into that sort of content, make sure to join my group and hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. That would help me a lot. So yeah, let's get into XRP. Right, XRP price was on a pretty good journey. And things looked really interesting for XRP. And I was actually rooting for XRP because of two things, right? The first thing was from a technical standpoint, the price managed to break this. How long ago was this? A 2-month downtrend, right? A 2-month resistance level, declining resistance level that was preventing the price from moving up. Basically broke through that and then retested it, which was a perfect retest from a technical standpoint, and then continued rallying. So back here, right, a lot of altcoins were showing, like even Ethereum and Bitcoin were showing weakness, but XRP price kind of managed to hold above this declining trend line, which was really interesting. And I thought it would basically go all the way up to 0.387 and collect liquidity resting above these equal highs that were formed. Right, but unfortunately, XRP price kind of exhausted after retesting 0.381 resistance level, or basically, yeah, 0.381 resistance level. As you can see here, this was a massive support back in around the initial, basically the early May to early June. It was a massive support, but since the price reached it and flipped into support level, into a resistance level, it's kind of been hard for XRP price to move above it, right? You can see here the initial attempt to move above that basically was met with extreme amounts of selling pressure. The same thing transpired here. You can, as you can see, with this candlestick bodies of with almost equal candlestick bodies, right? So, but even then, there was hope, at least in my eyes, for XRP, basically because a major source of selling pressure for XRP, which was the Jed McCaleb's Taco wallet, had finally come to an end after 8 years of selling XRP tokens. Right now, that should have amounted to something, but since we're in a bear market, these bullish news often tend to kind of be overlooked. Basically, it's sell the news, buy the rumor kind of thing, or like sell the news and sell the rumor as well. That's the kind of phase that we're in right now. So yeah, XRP price continued producing lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, which eventually led to a breakdown below this declining trend line. After a decent amount of fight, though, it wasn't just a quick drop. Right. So what's next for XRP? For now, it seems to be forming some sort of a bottom around 0.326. But there is, if you look at it from a 1-day time frame, this liquidity pool contains obviously a lot of liquidity. It extends from 0.30 to 0.31, and there is a pretty good chance for XRP price to dip into this pool before. I think the reversal point for XRP basically is somewhere here between 0.30 to 0.31. But then again, due to this, basically the market structure break that took place after this red candle formation, you can expect XRP price to kind of prematurely bounce around 0.317. So basically, if I were to say the bottom for XRP could happen around 0.30 to 0.32, right? That would completely sum up my take for XRP, right? But considering what's happening with Bitcoin, right, and the outcome where it could potentially crash down to 13K, in that case, you can look at 0.239, which could serve as an intermediate support level, and it arrives basically in late September to December 2020. That's when the SEC basically announced that it was sowing Ripple. So yeah, the next support level is around 0.24. But if that breaches, then you can expect it to retest the low that was formed here basically in December 2020 around 0.17. Yeah. So yeah, that's my take on XRP. If you enjoyed this analysis, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.